welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm a simple Filipino American living in the US with my family, showing my everyday life experiences.
Very strong patches. It's not surprising that it's been bumped up to category 3.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, are we prepared?
Yeah. we already have our plants outside, our furniture inside the patio. Okay. Okay. Look, we are done doing our Milton preparedness right now. All of our furniture is here in the patio, and all of our furnitures, and the pool is ready. It has a net, and then our plants tucking in. The windmill over there is good. It's raining. It's been raining already this morning, and it's Wednesday morning. Time check.
People are doing like live streaming.
Oh yeah. It's 11:06. 11:06. It's raining. The front yard is also good. So we're just getting ready. Later I'm gonna go cook for our dinner. So yes, Hurricane Milton will be having its landfall later, early morning on Thursday. Today is Wednesday, so yep, hopefully it will die down, and you just have to pray. I think, that's the thing.
Orlando, storm surge really is not the major concern. There will be hurricane force winds here, so there will be down trees, and power outages are certainly expected.
Yep, we're watching the news, and to have updates every now and then. So right now I am cooking some tuna sandwich, and some and some egg and tuna. Making our tuna. Okay, here's my banana pudding. I think I need some more cream, but that's good enough for me. I don't want too much cream in it, sugar. So we'll just put some cling wrap on top, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to chill.
Yeah, and you're over there doing your homework forever?
No, let me swap it over for one day.
I'm gonna wonder why.
And I'm gonna forget to put up all the glass
I'm gonna wonder why.
debris that could easily fall
I'm
off.
gonna wonder why for 4 hours. And now the
Okay, time check. What time is it?
Contemplate on Rich.
It's 5:27 in the afternoon. And this is how it look outside.
Especially with the
It's
shaders.
very gloomy, and it's raining.
pretty much a coding genius. I can sit there and
It's
not
raining.
judge me. judge you all the time today.
Yeah, I love that social hierarchy.
Yeah, we're just waiting and waiting.
Ego the game.
Hopefully the
I don't play with
Hurricane Milton will not bring a lot of damage in our area, and we pray for all those people in the path, especially Tampa Bay area. Yep. Morning everyone. Today is the morning of Thursday. Good morning everyone. I wake up early anticipating what lies ahead. It's still gloomy outside. Still dark. It seems like we didn't have any damages or anything, which is good. I'm so thankful and glad that the hurricane passed our area. It seems like we just only have some knocked out plants, potted plants in the patio, and some leaves branches all over the yard. I know our area is safe from Hurricane Milton now, but we are so sad about the Tampa Bay area where Hilton's made its landfall last night. It was pure devastation, and all the houses are all damaged from the storm surge. And there's a lot of people who don't have no power. Floods all over the place. People houses were washed away. Everything they have. So today we will just be inside the house since it's still raining and gloomy. And then we're gonna head out maybe tomorrow to clean up around the house. Today the sun is shining bright. It's good to see the sun. So we're gonna have to do our cleanup today. Our kids started the day to put up all the furnitures back and all the potted plants outside, and I'm gonna rearrange them later. They also started cleaning the pool, my husband scrubbing and taking out all the acorns falling from the tree. While the boys are busy in the backyard, I'm in the front yard doing the garden. There's a lot of plants that are dead and some leaves that are fallen on the ground, so I have to clean them all up and make them look nice again. I also start pulling some weeds in the garden as they grow because of all the rain that we had in the past couple of days. After the front, I head to the back to help the boys and rearrange my potted plants. I think they did a good job in cleaning up the back patio. So now I'm gonna rearrange my potted plants since it's fall already. I have to keep all of my tropical plants inside the patio so they won't get really cold, and all the plants that can tolerate the cold weather, I take it out. I know being at home, there's never-ending tasks to do. Or everywhere you go in the part of your house or in the part of your property, you have to always do something. Today we are ready to do our everyday task, and we're heading out and to do some medical screening today. It's a beautiful day today. This is the St. John's River. All these houses that I was telling you about, they are on the water, and they still are experiencing some surge from the water. So there are some flooding around the area.
You're gonna put ice in there. It's gonna be in the fridge, so why would it make any difference? It keeps ice cold. Or keeps the water cold.
I am harvesting my chili peppers, and this is the last one for the season because it's already fall, and I'm gonna dry them under the sun to make some red chili pepper flakes. And when it's dried, I will gonna have to grind them, so we're gonna use them for our cooking.
Are you not seeing yet, no? Oh, it is. Man, you need to stop.
Okay, I'm gonna go dry these peppers that I just harvested. Maybe over here.
When you start seeing it show up here, you're gonna see it coming all the way up. That's when you know it's full. Keep going, Daryl. It's pretty much empty. I think. If you'll see it filling up, I'm watching.
You wanna go with Kuya? You should go with Kuya, King. This little boy always like to go in the. Just back it up a little bit.
Keep going. Okay, good, right there. Turn it off, yeah.
Yeah, because we're gonna go and put the thing.
Okay, as far as you may have to do it twice.
There's a gecko in there.
Yeah, you might have to do it once.
Okay.
It does go. No, I don't think it'll prop out.
There you go.
Yeah.
'Cause I think
Yeah,
this one,
that part you have to do it twice. Let it go.
Yeah,
that
it's
was manual.
already thing.
I think that's plastic.
Oh, there's the thing.
So,
Could be plastic here.
no. That's the way
That was sealed
it is.
No, it
No,
has a twin
like our
turbo
car,
too.
our car is big. You got that big engine compared. Look at that engine compared to ours. Yeah, so here.
I think no.
You don't. I don't think you.
Oh,
need
there is
that.
a thing. Anak.
I don't think you need that phone.
Why is it both? Does it just?
Well, it's closed, Daddy.
Is it like a?
No,
a
it's
filter?
gonna go down in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like a filter or something. Is it like?
That's how
Yeah.
it looked like the something.
Oh, you fold it now. Might suck it off.
Let's see if it's gonna fall down.
I think it might just be like for.
Jerry, you need that what's the name right there?
Panel.
I was gonna say puncture this thing. Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, it goes down.
Yeah, there's
It's
a
got
hole in
holes in
there.
it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just keep going.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. And please don't forget to check out my playlist. Yeah, he's still talking.
Please don't forget to drop me a like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button for me, please. Thank you. Until next time, paalam!